Hey YouTube, it's Big Chum from Socal Outdoors. I'm out here doing some fish cleaning. I got a cooler full of bluefin we just caught a couple days ago. Mike from
Funky Fishing 101.
Mike, my fishing buddy, Captain Mike, he's coming over to show you how to clean a bluefin at home, so you don't have to pay the big money in San Diego at the dock. So stay tuned, we'll show you how to do it. All right guys, here's one of my bluefin we got. Mike's got his too here. We're gonna do a quick on how to start it, and then we'll go from there with you guys. So first thing you do, take it out of the pool. You want to shake the line right here from all the way down. Get an eye fish there. All the way down to there. So you cut the back, then you turn it to the front and come down this way. We're gonna cut the collars off with our friends. So then this is the center line right here. It goes all the way down. Oops. You got full start there. And you go all the way down. You see the bloodline? All right, so let's do this. Let's get the collar off. So there's one collar. So what you're gonna do is you're gonna take this skin, you're gonna peel it off. Most time you can just pull it because these are pretty fresh. I want to do it the right way, so we're gonna do it where you get it off. So let me turn this thing this way. Yeah, it's so damn big. It's like these little 20 pounders we used to catch. If you lose a little meat loss, it's okay. It's a 60 pounder. It's not like we're losing a lot of meat. But you want to try to get as close to the skin as you can. Like this. Oops, I missed a bit. Damn it. Lucky this is my fish, not Mike's. Haven't done this in a while.
Especially a big one, right?
Haven't done a big one in 20 years. Oops. Bad, that's right. Usually the deckhands just pull it off with pliers. This thing's just sitting in the cooler all day. Nice and chilly. Damn. Cut me off. Not the greatest job, but it'll work for today. There it goes. So you just pull it like that. So it just comes off like that. And then we split down the center beam, down to the head. And we cut here. You gotta find the Gypsy's big. Oh. Yes. Someone do me a favor, hold the table.
That's a huge loin, dude.
Yeah, I know. You know what I might do? This is kind of a new technique. I might cut it in half before I take off the whole loin. You guys want to make sure you have no bloody. Let's do this. I'll straight down, see if I can get that loin out. Yep, there we are. A lot easier that way. That's fine. They can keep that. There's your bluefin right there. In a nutshell, not pretty, but it'll get the job done. See you guys next time.